Hi everyone, it's Jen from practicalbydefault.com, work solutions for the working homeschool mom, and I am so excited to be here today. I wanted to talk about subscription boxes, and a few people have asked me why I use them, what I love about them, and that type of thing. So I wanted to share my newest subscription box with you, which is the Groovy Lab in a box. Oh, let me see if I can get this so you guys can see it. There we go. So it's Groovy Lab in a box, and this arrived Friday, and I just found it a few days ago, and I wanted to open it up and show you exactly what's inside. As you can see, it's still sealed completely, so I'm going to open that up in a second here. I just wanted to see how this works. Okay, we're back. It's good. All right, so a few days ago, I shared with some people that I know that I had received the Groovy Box and I've never opened it. And I asked them, what kind of questions do you want to know about it? How does it, what are you wondering? So I wanted to answer their questions. One of the questions I get the most is, why do I use subscription boxes? As a working mom, I love subscription boxes because everything usually comes in. Now, I haven't opened this one. I've never had one of these, so I'm not really sure exactly what's in it. But we'll open it up here in a second and we'll find out. But one of the things that I really appreciate about subscription boxes, beside the fact that everything's in it, except for household items like usually water or baking soda or sugar or whatever else you need that you can find in your home, are not included, is that they cover different topics. So we add them as a supplement to our science curriculum. The subscription boxes that we've tried are science-based. And so we might be studying, say, biology that year, but one day, a month, or a week, we'll dive into our box and we'll learn about something completely different that we normally wouldn't cover. So some of the topics that we've covered last homeschool year were about the body, like the skeletal system. We learned about eyes, we learned about stars, we learned about electricity. And so it was really fun to kind of dive into a topic for a full day, do lots of hands-on activities, and it wasn't a lot of time or energy or preparation on my part because I don't have a lot of that. And so that's one of the things that I really like about it. And I've always wanted to try Groovy Lab box. And so I was super excited when they said that they would send me a box to open up for you guys and test and see if it works for working moms that homeschool. Working moms at homeschool, I find we have less time, we have a more detailed schedule that we have to stick to, and it can be really hard to find things that work for us. So I'm super excited to open this up. So some of the questions that people asked was, what age group is this box for? And so this age group, this box is designed for 8+, and it is not designed to be used alone. So one of the moms that used this box said that she had a child and it wasn't a follow the directions kind of deal, do it on your own. So it's according to their website, and I've included the link in the description of the video. So you can check out the FAQ page and you can check out what else they have to say about it. They also have videos as well. They say it's designed for the whole family. So a team of 4 kids, you can break them up if you have more, like a lot of kids, or as the whole family can dig into it. And all the items in here are supposed to be reusable. Somebody said, I like the boxes, but if they're a one-time use, there's really nothing I can do about it. What am I supposed to do with it when I'm done? Some of the boxes that we've had in the past, that was true. You did the experiment, you had this thing. What did you do with this thing? You had to store this thing, or you had to throw this thing out. So I really appreciate the fact that these are supposed, you can reuse them or do them over again with another child. If you have kids that are older and then younger. All right, so let's dig in and see what's in this box. Hopefully this is not too loud. My puppy is sleeping, so I'm trying to get this done while she's asleep, because if not, she howls and bites and chews and gets into everything and makes doing any type of video a nightmare. So let's see here. All right. Here we go. All right, so, oh, by the way, this box shipped from the States to Canada. As you can see, it's in perfect condition. It wasn't left outside. One mom said that her UPS or the deliverer left the box outside. It got wet. She contacted Groovy Lab and they replaced the box within like 2 days. So that was really nice to know because sometimes they do that. All right. So this box is, oh, you get a lab notebook and it's about electricity. So that's kind of cool. We like electricity. We've never done a whole study about it besides the subscription boxes. So there's a welcome, beyond the box. Okay, so they have a learning portal online that you can, they give you a password inside the book. So I can't show that to you. But I saw this on the website. You go to their website, you enter this password, and you get a learning portal. So there's all kinds of resources in that. So they say. I haven't looked yet. I'll share with you how we like it as we go. Then it has a table of contents and the engineering process. So I'll flip through so you can kind of see. It's in color. This looks really cool. Brainstorming exercises, test it, and then redesign. So that should be fun. All right. That's a shipping label. Not very exciting. So piece of orange paper. This looks like maybe upside down. Okay. And then it has maybe a circuit. Maybe. Your guess is as good as mine. This box is stuffed. People, this box is stuffed. Can you see this? It's like totally full. Usually they come with like 2 or 3 things in them. I'm too short for this. And this has a ton of stuff. So this looks like it is a Q-tips, no, not Q-tips, popsicles with some kind of paper and, nope, that feels like sandpaper, copper wire. Oh, I know what those things are called. Do you remember what those things are called? They're like gold and you put them through paper and then they open up. And we use them for like making spin wheels and things for kids when we're teaching them like math facts and stuff. I'm getting no help here. Anyways, I forget what it's called. Someday I'll know. And this is, look, they even include, oh my word, I don't have a brain today. Obviously I need more coffee. Attack, that's what it's called. Oh, I know you feel my pain, right? Okay, clothespin, some more wires. I love how everything is packaged, super neat. Hopefully it will stay that way. They even sent the battery. That's awesome. Oh, can you guys see? Okay, I have to remember to put them over here. Little lights. Let's see. Is that better? That's better. Sorry about that. It is really gray and dark here, and then the only light. So a straw, balloon, a website that also has the, they included the ruler. I'm really impressed. We'll see, it feels like the, and a skewer. And then brown paper, which could be just packing or we may actually use it. And then of course the box is really cool. It has all the stuff on the bottom. All right, so that is what is inside. So now that you can see, I'll just quickly show you what came in it again. I think these are little LED lights. I hate the glare of the lights. I'm so impressed that they sent the battery. That just cracks me up. They know me too well. Be like, battery? I need a battery? I don't have a battery. So this is a quick recap and the circuit. So I'm really, really excited to dig in. One of the things that one mom said about the box was that the box is designed to get your children to think, not just follow directions. And I'm really excited about that because my kids love to follow directions. I'm a rule follower or a direction follower. You know, you follow the directions, you do what it says, this is the result. But I guess this box is designed for your kids to expand and really think about the process and think of other possibilities. So that will be good. Now, one of the things that I always check out before I buy anything is the price. So at the time of recording this video, before my computer dies, the price, oh, sorry, just 1 second. There we go. You can buy the boxes in different like subscription, there we go, packages. So you can get a 1 month, so month to month to month, and that is the most expensive. At the time of recording this, it was $29.95 US dollars. Then you can buy the 3-month package, which is $28.95, and then 6 months, which was $27.95, and then the full year, which is $24.95. Now, your question might be that you say you order the 3 months and you don't like it. Then what can you do about it? So you can reach out to them and cancel. If it's a gift subscription, so you can buy the subscription and gift it to somebody else, like your grandkids or your cousins, that type of thing. If you need to cancel it, you need to do that 5 days before it renews. If it is an annual subscription, you can turn it on and off. So I think I've answered all your questions. If you have any other questions and you need help finding the information, just leave them in the comments of this video and I'll do my best to answer. We'll be sharing how we use the box in our homeschool, so look for those adventures on my Facebook page, Instagram, and wherever else you might find me. So thanks so much for watching and have a great day.